Walking with Fanny, walking with Fanny. Look, a little skate park. We are in Hood River, Oregon. How cute. The little bridge and everything. And I had to get some McDonald's cafe. And then there's also like a little walking trail. Let me show you guys real quick. Good morning, by the way. I didn't say that. Good morning, good morning. I've never checked out this little trail, but it's called Disc Golf Park. Oh, that's huge, I think. Keep walking before this thing screams at me. Oh yeah, there's like little trails everywhere, but we came to work, not to get lost at the park somewhere. See all the trails over there? 1, 2, 3 trails. Getting a horny walk in because see what had happened was Jojo was door dashing and we just turned on the dash while I come to my job, and he got one right away. Well, two orders right away. So I was like, you know what, just drop me off right here and I'll go walking the rest of the way to my job, which is a couple minutes away. That's it. This is how you get in a couple steps too without even wanting to. Plus 5 hours of working. So yeah. Alright, so far it's been 7 minutes of walking. And that is the buildings. And you know it's going to be 99 degrees today? Holy schmokities! And it's empty. Just how I like it. No cars. Yeah. You need a special badge to go in. And a code. And the alarm is set. Alright, disarmed. As clean as I left it a couple days ago. We got a special project to do today. Oh yeah, I gotta clock in. Ain't nobody working for free around here. Okay, so apparently the special project is not the whole building, but just apparently this area right here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to work here for 5 hours, if it's even gonna take 5 hours to clean all this, but yeah. Cool little airplane, huh? Yeah, I don't know. They said if I could clean all this area, but it doesn't look like it's gonna take 5 hours to clean this. We shall see, I guess. Maybe they just want me to undust everything. I don't even know. Okay, yes, I see what they mean about that. Look at that. Deep cleaning. Look at that. All these little quarter things that we never really hit. Spiders, dead spiders everywhere. That's so gross. Oh yeah, for sure. Dustiness to the maximo, to the max. Oh hell no. I already cleaned the window seals too because there was crap all over there too. But anyways, that's going to be the ending of this vlog. I'm so sad. I can't be there for my little nephew's birthday. But happy birthday to my nephew. Ooh, look at that nasty stuff. Happy birthday to my nephew. Too bad I can't go because I'm slaving away. Have a good Sunday, guys. Bye. Bye, Felicia's. This is what? She needs to do her nails. Ugh. Bye.